if you are not well and there are some other problems, is offering only 4 farz of Isha complete your prayers? Yeah, definitely. Alhamdulillah, at least the which are the prayers which are required of you, if you have done that, that's sufficient. Because a man came from a countryside and he said, Ya Rasulullah, how many fard prayers Allah has prescribed upon me in the day and the night? And Rasulullah only mentioned 2 Fajr, 4 Zohar, 4 Asr, 3 Maghrib and 4 Isha. And he said, these are the only fard prayers which Allah has told me to offer. And Rasulullah said, yes. And he said, O Rasulullah, be witness, inshallah, I swear upon Allah that I will not decrease, I will not increase anything of that, and I will stick to this. 2 Fajr, 4 Zohar, 4 Asr, 3 Maghrib and 4 Isha. And he left. Then Rasulullah said that if anybody wants to see somebody from the Jannah, look at this man. So it shows that if you stick to your fard prayers, inshallah, you will still go to Jannah for that, and you will not be punished for it if you don't pray your sunnahs. Sunnahs are recommended, good, better and best. It is best. But if you don't, then it won't take you away from the rank of good.